What if the key to endless wealth was as simple as choosing a path? Robert Kiyosaki, the genius behind Rich Dad Poor Dad, introduces a thought-provoking concept called the cash flow quadrant. He paints a clear picture between those who chase money for a sense of safety on one side of the quadrant and those who pursue freedom to escape a lifetime of hard work on the other. Now, let's explore 8 assets for wealth building. Keep an eye out for number 4 and 2 as we dive in. They hold game-changing insights. Let's get started. Number 8, investing in paper assets. Investing in paper assets is often seen as a gateway to growing wealth without the heavy lifting that comes with managing a physical business or real estate. Robert Kiyosaki often emphasizes the importance of financial education before diving into this point. Let's unfold the mystery behind paper assets with some real-world figures and examples. Did you know that if you had invested $1,000 in Amazon's initial public offering, IPO, in 1997, your investment would be worth nearly $1.2 million today? It's the magic of stock market growth over time. However, it's not always a smooth sail. The stock market has its share of ups and downs. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, the S&P 500 plummeted by about 57%. Yet, it rebounded and reached new heights in the following years. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on fleeting pleasures every weekend, consider directing it towards stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Each of these instruments has its own risk and return profile, so you get to choose based on your comfort level. Take the story of Warren Buffett, who bought his first stock at age 11 and is now one of the richest men on the planet, thanks to his disciplined investing habits and keen eye for value. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest. For those who are wary of the volatility in the stock market, bonds are a safer bet. They provide a fixed interest over time, acting as a steady income source. Moreover, mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. It's a way to have a slice of the broader market without putting all your eggs in one basket. Paper assets require less hands-on management compared to other asset classes, making them a popular choice for those juggling a 9-to-5 job. The key is to start with a clear financial goal. Stay educated and make informed decisions. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep and grow over time. Number 7, business or entrepreneurship. The magic that births colossal corporations from mere ideas is nothing short of a compelling tale. Every giant in business, from Apple to Amazon, started as a seedling of thought in someone's mind. The journey from the seedling to the towering tree is what sets entrepreneurs apart. Consider the story of Elon Musk. He sold his first company, Zip2, for nearly $300 million in 1999. Instead of resting on his laurels, he risked it all to build companies like SpaceX and Tesla, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now, he's not just a billionaire, but a trailblazer in industries from automotive to aerospace. Creating a successful business isn't just about the hustle, it's about solving real-world problems. Jeff Bezos, by launching Amazon, revolutionized the way we shop, making retail therapy a couch activity. Yet, for every Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, there are countless others whose ventures didn't soar. About 20% of new businesses fail during the first 2 years, and only 25% make it to 15 years or more. The road is fraught with challenges and requires a combination of grit, innovation, and timing. Starting a business isn't a blind leap, but a calculated risk. It's about identifying a need, crafting a solution, and relentlessly pursuing excellence, even when faced with setbacks. The beauty of entrepreneurship lies in its ability to create assets that continue to generate income long after the initial effort. Unlike a regular 9-to-5 job, a successful business can become a legacy, providing financial security for generations. Before we move on to the next asset, if you're finding value in this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us a lot and ensures you don't miss out on more insightful content. Number 6, real estate. A steady ship in the stormy sea of investing. Real estate has always been a classic pathway to building wealth. It's not just about owning a roof over your head, but also about having a piece of earth that grows in value over time. Let's navigate the world of real estate with some real-world examples and facts. Imagine the city you live in. Now think back to how it looked 10 or 20 years ago. The chances are that land and house prices have climbed up the hill, sometimes even doubling or tripling. Take San Francisco, for example, where the median home price shot up from around $670,000 in 2012 to over $1.3 million in 2021. That's almost a double in less than a decade. Now, transitioning from being a homeowner to a real estate investor is where the true potential lies. Ever heard of the term house hacking? It's a simple yet effective strategy where you live in one of the units of your property and rent out the others. It's a baby step into the world of real estate investing, allowing you to offset your living expenses with rental income. Now, let's talk about the magic word, using borrowed money. Unlike other investment avenues, real estate allows you to use other people's money, OPM, to grow your assets. For instance, with a 20% down payment, you can own a house and rent it out, letting the rental income pay off the mortgage over time. Lastly, real estate is not just about monetary gains. It's about creating a lasting legacy, a tangible asset that can be passed down through generations, providing a sense of security and stability to your family. Number 5, commodities, nature's own reserve of value. Commodities are like nature's treasure, precious and essential. They have been a cornerstone of trade and wealth for centuries. From the shiny allure of gold to the essential utility of oil, commodities play a varied and vital role in our lives. Let's delve into the world of commodities with some real-world insights. When we talk about commodities, gold often shines the brightest. It's not just a shiny metal, but a store of value. For instance, during the 2008 financial crisis, when most assets were tumbling, gold saw a 24% increase in value. It's like a financial superhero that stands tall when everything else is falling. But it's not just gold. Commodities like oil power our cars, heat our homes, and fuel the industries. The fluctuations in oil prices can have a ripple effect across the globe. Remember the oil price hike in 2008 when prices soared to $147 per barrel, affecting everything from transportation costs to grocery bills? And then there's the essential grains that fill our plates. Commodities like wheat, rice, and corn are the bedrock of our food supply. Their prices can influence the cost of your daily bread. Investing in commodities can be a way to protect your wealth against the ups and downs of the economy. It's like having a piece of the earth's natural wealth. Commodities also offer a chance for diversification. Unlike stocks and bonds, the price of commodities like gold and oil often move in opposite directions to the stock market, providing a safety net in turbulent times. The world of commodities is vast and varied, from metals to energy to agricultural products. Each has its own set of dynamics influenced by global events, weather patterns, and economic cycles. Number 4, your network, the unsung hero of success. Your network is like a garden. When you nurture it, it blooms, providing not just a beautiful view, but also fruits for your labor. It's about the people you know, the bonds you build, and the bridges you create along your journey. Let's delve into the importance of a network with some real-world examples and insights. Think about the neighborhood bakery you love. It started small, but word spread about its delicious pastries through friends telling friends. Now, it's a community favorite. That's the power of a good network. It can help a small venture blossom into something loved by many. Now, let's talk about the world of online. Ever wonder how some YouTube channels skyrocket in popularity? It's often through collaborations with other creators, sharing audiences, and growing together. Like when two popular YouTubers come together for a special video, their fans discover a new channel to follow. Your network isn't just about growing a business. It's also about personal growth. Ever heard the saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with"? Surrounding yourself with inspiring, positive, and knowledgeable people can lift you up, broaden your horizons, and open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Being genuine is key in networking. People can sense when someone is only interested in what they can get out of a connection. So, be interested, be helpful, and be genuine, and you'll see your network grow in value over time. Number 3, online assets, the digital goldmine of opportunities. In today's digital age, online assets are like the hidden gems waiting to be discovered. They are the tools and platforms that let you share your talents, ideas, and services with the world. From creating a captivating blog to launching a YouTube channel, the online space is a goldmine of opportunities. Let's explore this digital frontier with some real-world insights. Picture this: a young musician uploads her songs on YouTube. People across the globe discover her music, and soon she has a loyal following. Her YouTube channel becomes her stage, her audience grows from a few to a few thousand, and her music journey takes off. That's the power of online assets. They can turn dreams into reality. Now, let's dive into the world of e-commerce. Ever heard of Etsy? It's a platform where creative folks sell handmade or vintage items. With an online shop on Etsy, a crafty person can turn their hobby into a source of income, reaching customers far and wide. And it's not just about selling products. Online assets like blogs or educational websites allow you to share your knowledge and expertise. If you love cooking, a blog with your unique recipes can attract fellow food enthusiasts. Over time, this blog can become a source of passive income through advertising and sponsored content. The beauty of online assets is that they can work for you round the clock. Your online store, blog, or YouTube channel is accessible to people anytime, anywhere. It's like having a shop that never closes. Number 2, time. Your most precious asset. Time is like a river, always moving and never coming back. We all have time, but it's precious because once it's gone, we can't get it back. Every second is a chance to learn, grow, and build our dreams. Let's explore the essence of time with some real-world insights. Think about someone saving a little money from their paycheck every month to invest in stocks or start a small side business. At first, it may seem like the money saved isn't growing much, but over time, the investments start to grow. For example, the stocks they bought might increase in value, or their side business might start making more money. As the business grows, they decide to hire freelancers to handle some tasks, which frees up their time. Now, they don't have to work extra hours at their job, but they are still making more money. This extra money can then be used to buy more time for themselves, like taking a day off work without worrying about bills, or even going on a holiday. This shows that smart choices and a good start can help make more money over time without working all day and night, and eventually buying back time to enjoy life more. Making the most of your time is about choosing what's important. It's about finding a balance between learning, working, and enjoying life. Every day is a chance to make smart choices, learn something new, and get closer to our dreams. So, as the saying goes, don't count every hour in the day, make every hour in the day count. Cherish your time, use it wisely, and see the amazing things that can unfold in your life. Number 1, health. Your wealth of well-being. Good health is a cornerstone to a fulfilling life and can also be a catalyst to financial freedom. Without health, the journey to financial freedom can be halted or severely hindered. Let's delve into how health intertwines with wealth. Consider the costs associated with poor health, medical bills, medications, and the inability to work optimally. By investing in your health today, you save on these costs in the future, allowing you to channel your resources towards wealth-building endeavors instead. Furthermore, a sound mind and body can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity, attributes that are critical in growing wealth. Successful individuals like Oprah Winfrey and Jeff Weiner have often emphasized the role of a healthy lifestyle in their achievements. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you set a solid foundation to tackle the challenges that come with wealth building. It's about having the energy, clarity of mind, and longevity to pursue your financial goals relentlessly. And there you have it. With these 8 assets in your toolkit, stepping towards financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a real path awaiting your action. Each choice today can lead to a brighter, wealthier tomorrow. So, dare to take that first step. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.